In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text background color in Canva. Kindly like this video and subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel more than you can imagine. Thank you. To add background color to our text, first we want to go over to text on the side panel here and add in a text box. And we'll paste our text into this text box. To add background color to our text, there are two ways you can go about this. First, you can come over here where it says effect and come down to the background effect. If we click on the background effect, you see we have this background effect give to our text. Let's close in our text up a bit so we can see that. We can choose to align our text to the left. And once we have that, we can now come here and choose the settings of our background. I want our background to look, and if we clean out the spread and we'll clean out the roundness, you see we have this background color, and from here we can change the background color to our text. You see that any color you apply to it, it will change the background color your text have. Another way to do this, I'm going to go ahead and click out, and I'm going to duplicate this page, and let's come to this one and we click on this text box again, go into effects and take out this background effect we give it. So now the second way to add background color to your text, you can come over to elements here and click on shape. I clicked on the rectangle shape. I'm going to spread it out. Maybe I want to highlight background. I want background to be the main thing that will be highlighted when I'm doing this. So I'm going to pull the shape up like so and close it in to cover the text. I'm going to pull it up so I see that I'm covering the text, and I'm going to pull it down. And if we click on these three dots and go over to layers, we can send the background to the backwards, and we can now come here and position the shape how we want it to look. That way in this text box, you're only highlighting one text background color. You can move this shape however you want to. Let's go over to position and go to layers. You can see the shape. If you choose to put it somewhere else, let's duplicate until we want to also highlight our text. So if we close this out, we want to do that with a different color. Let's pull this down and let's close this in just to make it look good. We want to highlight this with a different color. Can now go to this shape color and choose a different color to add. So you see now we have the option to choose a gradient background. So if we choose to use this gradient background, you see our text has a gradient background. You can use background color however you want to. Let me know if you have any questions. Do have a good one.